What are the best JavaScript tools for WASM debugging? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle where some pieces are hidden or move around unexpectedly. Debugging WebAssembly in JavaScript environments can feel just like that. But luckily, there are tools designed to make this process smoother and clearer. When working with WebAssembly, or WASM, you need tools that can peek inside the code and help you understand what's happening under the hood. Browser developer tools are your first stop. Both Chrome and Firefox have built-in support for WebAssembly. They let you see the WASM modules loaded in your web page, set breakpoints directly in the WASM code, and step through instructions line by line. You can also inspect memory and variables, which is super helpful when tracking down bugs. Because WebAssembly often interacts closely with JavaScript, these tools let you debug both at the same time, making it easier to see how data flows between the two. If you want to work outside the browser, tools like WebAssembly Studio come into play. This online IDE allows you to write, compile, and debug WASM code in languages like Rust or C right in your browser. It supports visualizing execution flow and inspecting memory, which helps when you are learning or testing small projects quickly. For more advanced or offline debugging, there's Wasmtime. It is a standalone WebAssembly runtime that runs outside the browser. It supports debugging through its command line interface and can be combined with profiling tools like Linux's performance analysis tools. This is perfect when you need to embed WebAssembly in applications written in languages like Rust or C and want to troubleshoot without the browser. Binaryen is another useful tool. It offers a suite for optimizing, validating, and transforming WebAssembly code. It includes an interpreter and can convert WASM to other formats or back. This makes it easier to analyze and manipulate WebAssembly binaries during development. Memory profiling tools like WASM Memprof help you understand how your WebAssembly application uses memory. They can detect leaks or excessive usage, which is key for improving performance in complex projects. For low-level debugging, especially when JavaScript interaction is minimal, tools like GDB or WASM Inspect are valuable. They enable you to inspect the WebAssembly binary at a very detailed level, especially when you have debug information like dwarf enabled. In summary, the best tools for debugging WebAssembly in JavaScript environments include browser developer tools for quick, integrated debugging, WebAssembly Studio for online coding and testing, Wasmtime for standalone runtime debugging, Binaryen for code analysis, WASM Memprof for memory profiling, and low-level tools like GDB or WASM Inspect for detailed inspection. Starting with browser tools is often best for most developers because they are easy to access and use. As your projects grow or become more complex, incorporating tools like Wasmtime and Binaryen can give you deeper insights into your WebAssembly modules.